Hello, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on an iPad. Now this only works with the iPad Pro, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad Air 2 and later, or iPad Mini 4 and later. So if you have an older iPad, for instance an iPad Air 1st generation, this isn't going to work. But for those of you who do have a relatively newer iPad, this is the way you do it. First, click on Settings and make sure in the left column, you see Home Screen and Dock. Under Multitasking and Dock, make sure that this option here, Show Suggested and Recent Apps in Dock, is in fact turned on. And click on Multitasking and make sure those three options are turned on as well. So back to the Home button. You see in the Dock on the bottom, this is whatever apps you want to put there. I want to show you for this example Safari, which is my web browser, next to Zoom. So let's say I'm on a Zoom call and I want to be looking at a web page as well. So Safari is not in the dock, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And if I swipe up from the bottom, the dock appears. You could see Safari is there because it's a recently used item. I'm going to go ahead and click on Zoom now. It switches over to Zoom, but I can no longer see Safari. If I want to split the screen, I just pull up on the dock, press and hold, let's say Safari in this case, and then drag it to the side and let go. And there you have a split screen. Now if you want to get rid of one of those two, you can press in the middle and drag it all the way to the left or all the way to the right, depending on the app that you want to stay on the screen. Now, one thing that sometimes can happen, I'm going to pull up the dock again. I'm going to press and hold on Zoom and drag it up into the screen. If I just let go here, it puts it as a panel on top of Safari. It's not exactly split screen. That's for multiple views. If you want that to turn into split screen, just take the top, drag it all the way to the side, and then it does that. You can let go, and you've got split screen. Hopefully this is helpful, and happy learning.